The GPC image-compatible ink cartridge pack aimed at HP 564XL users is a bulk option for households or small offices that still rely on dye inkjet printing. This 10-pack is sold as a lower-cost alternative to OEM HP cartridges for DeskJet, OfficeJet, and PhotoSmart families noted on the listing. Where smaller single cartridge purchases make sense for occasional printing, a multi-pack like this appeals when you want to stock spares and reduce the cartridge costs. As always, confirm the current price and exact SKU configuration on the Amazon product page before purchase. Prices and bundle contents change frequently. On the feature front, the listing highlights compatibility with numerous HP consumer printers, 3520 series, 4620, 5520, 6510 and similar models. Buyers should check whether the pack includes high-yield, XL, versions or standard sizes. The XL variants typically give better cost per page for photo and document printing. Value packs like this often include extra colors to replace depleted cartridges in one order, and successful buying decisions depend on matching your printer model and checking whether your printer supports chip-compatible cartridges without firmware conflicts. The vendor generally notes return policies or quality guarantees on the listing, important when buying third-party consumables in bulk. User reviews of multipacks of compatible ink follow a familiar pattern. Many customers appreciate the immediate savings and the convenience of having multiple cartridges ready, and report decent print quality for text and casual photo printing. Recurrent caveats include that color fidelity on photos may be slightly different than OEM output, and some buyers report the need to run a head cleaning cycle after installation, something that's common even with genuine cartridges. Pros: lower upfront cost, convenience of a bulk pack, and decent everyday print quality. Cons: variable color accuracy for high-end photo work, potential for compatibility issues with certain printer firmware updates, and a higher impact if one cartridge in a bulk pack is defective. If you value savings and convenience for everyday home office prints rather than professional photo color fidelity exclusively, this 10-pack is a pragmatic option. And yes, we share buy links in description box.